Are you wondering why success seems elusive despite all your hard work and efforts? It's a common feeling, especially when your expectations aren't met. But remember, the road to success is often a marathon, not a sprint. Firstly, it's crucial to reevaluate your goals. Reflect on whether they're realistic and achievable within your set time frame. It's okay to adjust your expectations in line with your current situation and capabilities. This can be a great stress reducer. Secondly, it's important to focus on personal growth. Success isn't just about the financials. Consider your personal and professional development. Learn new skills, deepen your knowledge, fine-tune your expertise in digital marketing. You'll often find that success trails behind personal development. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of networking and collaboration. Reach out to fellow professionals in your industry. You'd be surprised how many doors can open through networking, partnerships, and collaborations. Plus, there's a wealth of knowledge to be gained from others' experiences. The fourth tip is to diversify your skills. Look for additional skills or services that complement your digital marketing expertise. A diverse skill set can make you more marketable and pave the way for new income opportunities. Fifthly, seek feedback. Ask your clients or colleagues for constructive criticism. Knowing what you're doing well and where you could improve can be a game changer for your professional growth. The sixth point is to take breaks and manage stress. Working nonstop can lead to burnout. Remember to take breaks, practice self-care, and manage your stress levels effectively. This can significantly boost your overall well-being and productivity. Seventh, set realistic expectations. Building a successful career doesn't happen overnight, so set realistic expectations for your progress, and remember to celebrate the small victories along the way. Lastly, if stress becomes overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Mental health professionals can provide support and strategies to cope with stress and anxiety. In conclusion, remember, everyone's journey is unique, and success often takes time. Show patience, stay focused on your goals, and don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. Your perseverance will pay off.